Hello and welcome to tutorial for how to add website Speedy extension to your Squarespace website. Log into your website dashboard, go to Settings, and in Third-Party Tools, click on Extensions. Search for Website Speedy extension and click on Connect. Choose Account and allow extension to install. Your 14-day free trial starts automatically. To get started, you need to enter URLs of 3 important pages from your website. We will only use these 3 pages for reporting purposes. You can use the button on the right to check current speed. For now, we will proceed with improving speed right away. Click on Boost Speed Now button. I'm also going to manually check the speed without our tool first, so we can match the updated speed with it afterward. We will use Google PageSpeed Insights on desktop and mobile, Pingdom, and GTmetrix for this. Let's get back to Speedy. Now here in step 2, we can see the speed enhancement script, which is generated specifically for your website. Add the script code before closing the head tag in your website header. Click to copy or go to Website Dashboard, go to Pages, scroll down to Website Tools, click on Code Injection, add Speed Enhancement Script, and save. Once you add the script, go back to Speedy Dashboard and click on Verify and proceed to step 3. Let's check the updated speed here of selected page, and let's check speed on Google PageSpeed Mobile and Desktop, Pingdom, and GTmetrix to see the difference. That's it. You've successfully used Speedy to enhance your website speed.